I bet you didn't know that mastering GMP can skyrocket your food business. Good manufacturing practices, or GMP, are the foundation of food safety and quality. But what exactly are GMPs? Simply put, they are the minimum sanitary and processing requirements every food production facility must follow. Let's break down the core elements of GMP: hygiene, equipment maintenance, staff training, and proper handling of raw materials. All crucial for ensuring safe, high-quality products. Adhering to GMP is also key for certifications like ISO 22000 and FSSC 22000. These certifications can boost your business credibility and open up new market opportunities. So, how do you implement GMP in your business? Start with routine inspections and regular employee training. It's all about consistency. Take a juice production facility, for example. GMP ensures equipment is sanitized and products are stored properly to maintain freshness. Ready to elevate your food business? Assess your current practices and pinpoint areas for GMP improvements today. Remember, good practices make great products.